Hello everyone, today I want to show you this cold press juicer.
This cold press juicer is high efficient and thoughtfully designed appliance that makes daily juicing easier, faster and has more nutrients. One of its standout features is that the large diameter feed chute, which allows you to insert whole or larger pieces of fruit and vegetables without the need to pre-cutting. This significantly cuts down on preparation time and makes the juicing process much more convenient. For best result, it is recommended to peel fruits with thick skin like oranges before juicing. The juicer is made from high quality material, which is BPA-free, a safer, food-grade material that ensures no harmful chemicals leak into your juice. It is a reliable choice for health-conscious users who care about both performance and safety. Equipped with a powerful 250 watts motor, the juicer delivers fast operation with a higher juice yield than many comparable models. The motor runs smoothly and efficiently, easily handling both soft and hard produce while maintaining the relatively quiet performance. Unlike centrifugal juicers that use high-speed blades, this model uses the rotating spiral rod that gently extracts juice by pressing and squeezing. This cold press method avoids heat buildup, which helps to preserve the natural nutrients, enzymes and flavors of the fruits and vegetables. Since there are no blades involved, the cell structure of the produce remains intact, resulting in a juice that is not only healthier but also has a richer taste and smoother texture. Overall, this juicer offers the excellent balance of power, ease of use and nutrition preservation, makes it a great addition to any kitchen for those serious about fresh homemade juice.
I like it and I recommend it.